Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today video is packed with beautiful and easy DIY Christmas bottle craft ideas that are perfect for decorating your home this holiday season. These projects are budget friendly, beginners friendly and made with simple materials you may already have at home. If you enjoyed Christmas crafts, decor and creative DIY projects, don't forget to subscribe and join your amazing crafting family. Now let's get started. For our first Christmas bottle, begin by cleaning the glass bottle around thoroughly and removing all labels and clean surface. Help the paint and decorate stickers. Apply a base coat of acrylic and spray paint in your favorite Christmas color such as red, white, green or gold. Let the paint dry completely before moving the next step. Once dry, decorate the bottle with ribbons, pine branches, berries, Christmas flowers, lace, glitters or teeny ornaments. You can even add white dots to create a snow effect. This simple bottle make a beautiful centerpiece for your Christmas table. Now let's move on. Second design, wrap jute rope around the neck and enter the bottle using hot glue. Wrap it slowly and neat for the best results. Jute rope give the bottle a warm, rustic and farmhouse look that it's perfect for Christmas. Add lace, ribbons, Monastia flower, pine cones, cinnamon sticks, wooden stars, or little bells. To complete the decoration, the natural texture of jute creates a cozy holiday feeling that even everyone loves. Our third idea is magic fairy light bottle. Place a small battery operated fairy light string inside a clean bottle. Decorate the outside with glitter, ribbons, snowflakes, or a miniature Christmas tree. When the lights are turned on, the bottle creates a beautiful warm glow that's perfect for evening decor. The fourth bottle is inspired by classic Christmas colors. Paint the bottle bright red and decorate it with gold ribbon, pine cone, berries, and festive greenery. You can also add a decorative bow around the center to make it look elegant and festive. The fifth bottle feature is a beautiful reindeer design. Paint the bottle with metallic red or bronze finish and add a white reindeer decal or sonnet. Finish it with a plaid ribbon and artificial pine branches around the neck. This design looks modern and stylish and fits perfectly into any Christmas decoration theme. Finally, let's adorable snowman bottles. The best part about these DIY crafts bottles is you don't need expensive supplies. Most materials are affordable and easy to find, making these projects perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Handmade decoration always bring warmth and creativity and love into your home. Every bottle you create is unique, and that's what makes DIY so special. I hope these ideas inspire you to make your own Christmas decoration in this holiday. To my all wonderful viewers, thank you so much for your love and support. Every view, every like, every comment and share means the world to me. Reading your lovely comments always makes my day and inspired to create even more beautiful craft videos for you. Don't forget to tell in a comment which bottle design was your favorite. May you even give you a special shout out in my upcoming video. Your support helps my channel grow, and together we can build an amazing craft community. Thank you so much for watching until very end. Keep crafting, keep creating, keep smiling and keep spending your time wishing you and your family beautiful, peaceful and joyful Christmas season. Thank you so much. Turn on the notification bell so you will never miss my upcoming video. Take care. Bye.